Hi everyone, it's Sue Plumb here, and I am here today to unbox the Kitaholic Kits March kit for you. Now, before I get cracking on this box, I just need to explain that this month's kit actually came in two parts. So the first thing I received were actually the items from the mixed media add-on kit, and then the main kit arrived afterwards. Now, while I was waiting for the main kit to arrive, I couldn't help but crack into the mixed media add-on kit. So what I actually did is I filmed that unboxing first, and I'll pop it on the end after I've showed you what's in here. If I get it out now, you're just going to see dirty things because, like I said, I've already used them because I couldn't wait. Anyway, let's get into the main kit. Dun, da, da, da. Now, I'm sure there are no surprises as to what we are working with here, because this is the brand new Sun-Kissed collection from Cocoa Vanilla Studio, which I have already put an unboxing up for on my channel with the entire collection. So you can see the entire collection, but all the Kitaholic Kits subscribers, lucky duckies, and lucky me, because it means I get to play with it again, this is what's coming in your kit this month. So let's have a look. Let's start with papers. Of course, there is that stunning floral. That's the signature floral from the collection, and it's called Growing Wild. And on the back of it, it's got the animal print. I'll whiz through these fairly quickly. We've got the beautiful rainbow stripe, which has got the cool ombre on the back. We've got the rainbow print, which has got the teal chevron on the back. We've got the cut apart sheet, which has got that yellow floral on the back. We've got this abstract painty paper, which has got the tiny hearts on the back. We've got the cloud print paper with the wood grain on the back. We've got the star print paper that's got the warm ombre on the back. And we've got the large rainbow paper that's got that deep blue on the back. But we also have two extra papers. So the first one is this one, which is from the Chamel Never Grow Up collection, and it's called Past Bedtime. And you can see that it's got, I think these are fireflies. I think that's what they are. We don't have them in Australia, but they are those cute little bugs where their little bums light up. So that's on a nice navy background, and then it's got this geometric print on the back. So as you can see, the tones in that will work really well. And then we have this Amy Tan paper, which has got these sweet little cameras on it from the Late Afternoon collection. You can see it there. And it's got this sort of mustard yellow color on the back that's got this stripe through it. So we're adding those ones in along with all of those Cocoa Vanilla papers. So now, embellishments wise, we have got the Sun-Kissed accessory stickers, which you can see there. Oh, my favorite little tiny word stickers there. We have got the foam title stickers. These are beautiful and glittery. They've got like a yellow base under the glitter, so they're nice, warm, and oh, they're really pretty. I'm not going to pull those out of the plastic because I don't need any glitter on my desk right now. We've got the Sun-Kissed clear stickers, which I will pull out and show to you. These are awesome clear stickers when you put them on like mixed media backgrounds. They really like meld into your background. They're great. I love the clear stickers. We've got the puffy stickers, They are the cutest puffy stickers. We've got the wood buttons, which I love, so I welcome another pack of those. So cute. We've got the die cut ephemera pack, which I'm actually not going to pull out of the pack right now. You can see it there. Lots and lots of cute little icons. And we also have the beautiful floral ephemera pack. Look at all those delicious flowers. Love, love, love. Okay, so that is what is in the main kit. So you've got stacks and stacks of paper to play with there. Like I said, most of it is cocoa vanilla, and there's a couple of bonus papers in there as well. So we've got, you know, 95% Cocoa Vanilla Studio in this month's kit, which I'm quite happy about. So we've got all those embellishments, and now I'm going to flip you over to the other unboxing that I already filmed, which has got the items from this month's mixed media add-on kit. Looking forward to sharing with you. Hi again, guys. So this is actually part 2 of my March kit unboxing, because as I mentioned previously, the 2 parts of this kit actually arrived separately, and I wanted to film my unboxing straight away so I could start using the goodies straight away. So here is what is in this month's mixed media add-on kit. A stencil. A gorgeous, gorgeous stencil. Can you see this one? This is from Darkroom Door, and it's a beautiful butterfly stencil. I'm going to pull it out so you can actually see. So what you can do with this stencil is you can actually keep it in the background like that and just use it like that, but you pop these little bits out so that you can use it like as a mask as well. So that will be super fun to play with, and I absolutely adore this one here, which not exactly sure what sort of butterfly it is, but it's got a similar pattern to a monarch butterfly, which is the butterfly that I have on my tattoo. So I am definitely going to be doing something with that. And to go along with the stencil in this month's kit, we've got these. Now, these are Dina Wakley gloss sprays. They are an acrylic spray. So you will see there, can you see that they are quite, see the sediment in the bottom there is quite opaque because it's an acrylic based product. So these will be a lot of fun to play with. So the 2 colors we've got here, we've got Mineral, and we've also got Carnation, which is, so Mineral is a beautiful, oh, it's like a grey blue. It's really, really nice. And then Carnation is this beautiful pink colour that you can see. So I'm going to be putting them to work this month. So I look forward to sharing my creations with you. So that is it for my kit reveal. Like I said, sorry that it was in 2 parts, but that was the way it had to happen this month. I look forward to sharing everything with you this month. Bye.